All right, good morning, boys. Today is Tuesday, June 17th. I made 1.3 thousand across 384 times 4 accounts. I made $5.5 thousand in around 30 seconds today, or like a minute, trading Nasdaq. Caught a nice long 2 data highs. So let me run you through my thought process. So coming into market open, the 4-hour structure never shift to bearish. There was never a bearish breakup structure. Just because we got a few bearish candle closures does not mean we ever close below a swing low. For price to confirm itself to the downside, we'd have to close below this swing low because this is the last green candle in the leg. Price would have to close below this low with a body closure for me to be bearish. Also inversing this fair value gap. But what we did do was tap into this 4-hour order block. So we tapped into a 4-hour order block, also respecting this 4-hour fair value gap. So we're still respecting all these confluences, right? 4-hour order block, 4 value, fair value. Obviously price is dumping right now, but we got a 4-hour order block, 4-hour fair value gap that we're respecting. Even though we tapped into this one, we're still respecting this one as well. On the hourly chart, we did make an hourly change in state and delivery right here, leaning me to more bullish. Like I said, now price is dumping. I can't explain that, but we had a 1-hour change in state and delivery right here. On the 15-minute, we had this fair value gap right here, and we had a 15-minute order block. Let me go on replay mode to make this so much easier. This is what price looked like. So this is the 4-hour order block. We're already inside a 4-hour fair value gap. As you can see here, we have 8:30. We had news. I left data highs and data lows. We turn on the filter thing or the indicator. You can see we also have London highs resting above us. So my draws for the day are going to be data highs and London highs. We have a 15-minute bullish fair value gap, 15-minute order block. On the 5-minute, nothing really crazy on the 5-minute, right? We do get a breakup structure on the 5-minute. That is what I entered off. We do have this bearish 5-minute, but I did not want to wait for price to inverse this, especially because 9:30 can be very fucking volatile and just tend to rip through it. So no need for that, right? 3-minute breakup structure, 2-minute, 1-minute, right? We also respected the CISD on the 1-minute. So we got a 1-minute CISD, 5-minute breakup structure. Basically every lower time frame broke structure to the upside and respected the CISD. Swept data lows inside the 15-minute order block and fair value gap. As you can see, we have data highs resting above us. So I literally just entered long at 9:29, halfway through the candle close. And if you can look at what price does, immediately takes out data highs. Right? If we look at prices now, I think it dumped a bit. I don't know why. This is really bad price action because there's no need for price to go any lower, especially when the higher time frame is still bullish. But price is kind of pushing back up a little now, but it's kind of weird. I don't know. Price has not been the best recently. I cannot explain this chop, but this long was beautiful overall. Like I said, based off this 1-minute CISD. Why is this CISD? Because this is the last move. A body closure, not a candle closure. A body closure above the last move to the upside before a small sweep of sell side. So we swept all these internal lows. Small, even though they're small internal lows, we still swept them. Right? Last move to the upside. Closed above it like that, respected it, entered in long on the 5-minute. Body closure above the most recent swing high, which is this one. Closed above it, giving us, right, like I said, a 5-minute breakup structure. And ideally, I did want price to rip through his 5-minute and give us an inversion so I could also target London highs. But if market open comes around and we haven't inversed it yet, I'm willing to go in with some lighter size. Like my risk was like, I want to say $700 per account. I was risking around $700 per account to make 1.3 thousand. So it was actually like a 1 to 2. Let me check. Yeah, wow, 1 to 2 risk reward. Not bad at all. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about this trade, I've been trying to keep the trade recap short for you guys. Not too overcomplicated. Like I said, the confluences were 4-hour fair value gap, 4-hour order block. Data highs and London highs are resting above us. We had a 15-minute fair value gap and 15-minute order block that price tapped into and respected while sweeping data lows, right? And then we got a 5-minute breakup structure, 3-minute breakup structure, and 1-minute CISD respect to the upside. All the confluences we need to go long, especially targeting data highs at market open, right? So if you guys have any questions about this trade, let us know. Also wanted to let you guys know me and George just started a new mentorship. If you guys are interested in joining that, I will leave the link in bio by all means. Kind of just it's really personal, I guess. It's just one-on-one, just straight. You're gonna be put in a group chat with me and George. You're gonna have all the perks you ever need to become kind of a successful trader. We kind of run you guys down through the way we trade. I kind of just want to help you guys out with that because we did have to close down the paid Discord. The free Discord is obviously still open. That's always going to be open. You know, we just want to grow a genuine community. But when it comes to the paid Discord, it was too much to handle. And the people in it kind of ruined it for everyone. Don't want to get too much into it, but it was kind of a ruined for everyone else by some people who were unfair. So if you guys have any questions, comment them. You know we're there to answer. And yeah, hope you guys have a nice day and peace out. Safe trading.